Good morning, students. This is our maths session, and as we have started first lesson in maths, we have completed up to expanded form, standard form, and successor predecessor. So up till here we have completed, and this was your exercise part. So you have done in the notebook also. Today we will start with comparing numbers. Now what are comparing numbers? Comparing number means we have to see whether it is a greater or smaller. Now see here, when we compare the numbers with 4 digits, we look at the thousands place first. If these 2 digits are the same, then compare the digits in the hundreds place and so on. For example, I will take here 8432 and 6841. Now in these two numbers, first of all we will put the place value. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now you can see here first what we have to do. First we have to compare at the thousands place. So thousands place, which is the number 8 number, and in other number it is 6. So which is the greater number? 8. So obviously 8432 is the greatest number. Next example we will take 6482 and 6381. Now in this, in thousands place, which value is there? 6. In this number also, in thousands place 6 is there. So it is the same. So we will take other number in hundreds place. In hundreds place it is 4 and in other it is 3. So which is the greater? 4 is the greater. So which is the greater number? 6482. And when we are taking this is third example, we will take 5282 and here 5293. Now in these numbers, first of all we will compare with thousands place. Thousands place same number is there, 5. Now in hundreds place it is same number in hundreds place also. Now we will move to tens place. Tens place, which number is greater? Here it is 8 and here it is 9. So 9 is the greater. So which will be the greater number? 5293. In textbook also one example is given. We will read. Compare 7891 and 5302. First look at the thousands place in both the numbers. Thousands place we have to see. So which is the thousands place? 7 and 5. So 7000 is greater than 5000. Thus 7891 is greater than 5302. When the number of digits are same, we compare the digits starting from the left to the right. We have to compare it from left to right, from thousands to ones. One more example is there. Compare 4625 and 4681. Here both 4625 and 4681 have the same number of digits. When compared, digits in the thousands place are the same. You can see here same numbers are in thousands place. Again the digits in the hundred place are also the same. 100 place is also same. In the tens place 8 is greater than 2. In tens place 8 is greater than 2. So 4681 is greater than 4625. So you understood how to compare the numbers. Now we will move forward to ascending and descending order. As you all know, ascending and descending. Ascending means arranging numbers from smaller to greater. and descending means arranging numbers from greater to smaller. Now here we are going to study about 4-digit numbers. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are said to be in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to greater. And when numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Now we have to arrange 2139, 2910, 2456, 2308, 2775 in ascending order. So first of all, how will we write? Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. First we have to compare it. First we will compare the numbers. Which number will come bigger? So here it is written. I will write in notebook so that you can understand. 2139, 2910, 2456, 2308 and 2775. We have to arrange it in ascending order. Now first of all we will make a table of thousands, hundred, tens and ones. 2, 1, 3, 9. Next number is 2, 9, 1, 0. Next is 2, 4, 5, 6. Next is 2, 3, 0, 8. 2, 7, 7, 5. Now we have to arrange it. How will we arrange? First of all, in thousands place all numbers are same. So we can't take that number. Now we have to see in hundreds place. Hundreds place which number is greater? See which number is greater? 9. But we have to arrange in ascending order. So we will take first small number. So which is the small number? 1. So first of all we will write here 2139, comma. Then which will be the second after 1? Which is the bigger number? After 1, 3 will be the bigger. So we will write 2308. Now after 3 which number will come? 4. So we have to write this number 2456. After 4 which number? 7. So we will write 2775. And last after 7, 9. So here 2910. So this is the ascending order of these numbers, given numbers. Which is the smallest number? 2139 is the smallest. And 2910 is the greatest. Understood? For descending order we have to arrange in bigger to smaller. So I will take same example for descending. First of all, the bigger number. Which is the bigger number in hundreds place? 9. So we will write here 2910. After 9 which number will come? Which is the smaller than 9? 7. So 2775. Again smaller than 7, 4. So 2456. After 4, 3. 2308. And after 3, last 1. So the bigger number is 2910 and smallest number is 2139. So this is the